Hi and welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how to unlock the door and start your Nissan Rogue if your KeyFob battery is dead. I'm gonna show you that on 2025 Nissan Rogue, but that's gonna work on most of Nissan Rogues made from 2011 and all the way up to 2026. First, you have to remove this key blade from the key fob. And you can do that by pulling this little plastic tab up, and at the same time you wanna pull the key blade out. And now simply push the key in the lock cylinder and unlock your vehicle. And now once when you are in the vehicle, you will have to grab this key fob and push it against start stop button. So put your foot on the brake pedal and push stop start button with the key fob. And now your Nissan Rogue is started. When you start your Nissan Rogue this way with the dead key fob, to turn it off, put your foot on the brake and you will have to hold start stop button for a few seconds for vehicle to shut off. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.